Hi friends, I am Deepak Bajaj from City Technologies. In this video, I will teach you how to play audio file in Android using SoundPool. First of all, create a new project. Give the name of this project SoundPool Demo. After that, change the package name and click finish. First of all, in a resource folder, create a new folder with the name of RA. Create a new folder with the name of RA and copy a audio file in this folder. Copy and paste this file in our RA folder. After that, add two buttons in our layout file. Button, assign ID to this button. ID is equal to play button. Change this text property to play music. Copy this button and paste here. Change the text property of this button to stop music and change the ID to stop button and set a layout below is equal to ID play button. Now switch to our main file. Here first of all create object of SoundPool and create a hash map integer after that sound map. After that create a variable of int class int sound id is equal to 1. Now initialize these objects. Sound pool is equal to new sound pool maximum streams 4 stream type audio manager dot stream music source quality 100. Now initialize a SoundPool map. SoundPool sound map is equal to new app map sound map dot put integer sound id and value sound SoundPool dot load contact this resource id dot dot cache sound and priority 1. Save this. Now initialize our button, play and pause button from XML file button play button equal to button find to by idea dot id dot play button button pause is equal to button find view by idea dot id dot stop button add a listener play button dot set on click listener pause set on click listener on click listener import on click listener. Now add declare object of audio manager is equal to extend this class from audio manager get system service audio service and plot current volume is equal to audio manager dot get audio manager get stream volume audio manager dot stream music plot max volume audio manager dot get stream max volume is equal to audio music or stream music, plot left volume is equal to front volume oblique next volume, plot right volume is equal to front volume next volume. Now print gravity is equal to 1. Int no loop is equal to 0. Int normal rate playback equal to 1. Change this to float. Now sound dot play. Sound ID, left volume is left volume, right volume is right volume, copy. Loop, no loop, rate, normal. Change this sound to low to there is a toast here, toast dot name, toast contact, get application contact, test music, toast dot make sure. Now on pause button, SoundPool, SoundPool dot pause, sound ID, razor toast, copy this and paste here, change the now run your program to see the output of your project. Run your project again. Now play. Click on play music button to play music. Now your music playing. Stop your music. Stop button. Thank you very much. Thanks for your time. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.